Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. If you are new here, my name is Carlos and we like to play with paint. So today we're going to try to recreate, and I'm saying today like you guys can't notice the paint I just did the last pour on. Hopefully you guys saw that video. If not, then I guess you didn't see it. But anyways, today I'm going to try to recreate that one funky little flower thingy. Like 5 videos ago, I think people were calling it like an orchid or whatever. It was green and purple and yellow. I'm going to try to recreate that, see if I can make another one somewhat similar to that. I watched the video because I couldn't remember how I did it. So I'm going to try to recreate it. We are not going to be laying down a base layer. We are going to do it the way we did it then, but not as much green, because that green really took over. So we're going to go ahead and start with the yellow. I forgot what kind of yellow this was. I'm going to add the purple next, the violet, I guess technically is what it's called. Add that right smack dab in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and do another little bit of yellow and a tiny bit of green. Maybe the green I'll just sprinkle around, or not. Obviously it looks like I need a lot more paint, so let's go ahead and try to fill in some of this area with the yellow. Go over some of that purple as well, and maybe just a tiny little bit more green right there in the middle, and then just like so. I'm going to take our black oxide paint from Amsterdam. I'm going to pour that in the middle. I don't think my table is leveled, so I'm gonna pop that right there. We're gonna blow it out and we're gonna see what happens. But I gotta move these out of the way. Alright. Again, that color combination. Let me zoom in just a little bit. Just a little bit. I gotta move the camera. Yeah, I dig it. I dig it. It's grainy, but I dig it. Now I gotta put the camera back where it was. Right about there. Alright, so now we're gonna spin it out. Fingers crossed, it looks halfway decent. That come to a stop on its own. Slightly different. I'm going to go ahead and fill in some of these areas. What color I do not know. I want to say yellow, but I think yellow is pretty much right in the middle. Nice shades of purple, so I don't know. I don't know what color to add to that area that did not get covered. I'm guessing I'm going to go with green. Just add a little bit of green, just to kind of fill it in. Ooh, don't get too close, don't get too close. Slightly move this over to the side. Try to use a steady hand without getting too much paint on it. That looked like it worked. Tiny little bit in this corner. And yeah, I'm gonna spin it just a little bit more just to kind of thin out some of that green. Oof, I dig it. But guess what? I'm always dropping my bottles of paint. Oh my goodness. Alright, so what do you guys think? Ladies, gentlemen, this way, that way, like this. I think I want to see it like that. Yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to bring you in for a close-up and we're going to check it out. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, here we have another somewhat kind of similar to that other orchid type chingadera thingy, kind of flower thingy, whatever you guys want to call it. Some pretty awesome little lacing. I love the way the purple stands out on this one so much more. I really don't dig the green, Where's my finger? All that green, but it is what it is. We're just gonna go ahead and pretend it's not there. But let's not focus on that. Let's focus on that delicious purple and yellow. Oh my goodness. Just love the way that blends. This camera, I need a camera. There we go, a little bit more focus. See if we can zoom in a little bit more. Nope. I don't want to risk it because it's going to degrade the quality of the picture. But yeah, we're just going to spin it around so you guys can see different angles of it. Ooh, except for that green. Don't look at the green. But look at that purple. Oh my god. Oh, it's upside down. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you guys think of this one. Give the video a like if you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Make sure to turn on all notifications after hitting that bell. Let me know what you guys think of this one. Again, just ignore the green. It's not really there. Just look at the center. Look at it. Yeah, I dig it. I think I'm gonna make some more of these, but not too many. But definitely make some more. Digging the way that purple and that yellow look. Oh my goodness. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys, ooh, shaky hand, next time. Bye.